Right, so before this video begins, there are a few things I need you guys to confirm, because if you don't have them, there is no way you guys are going to be able to restore your messages, at least from the way I'm going to teach you how to restore your WhatsApp messages after you uninstall the app. So I'm going to need you guys to open up your file manager. Just go through your apps and look for file manager and open it. Next, you have to tap internal storage. Then scroll down until you get to WhatsApp, the folder. Tap it to open it, and if you don't see the WhatsApp folder, there's a high chance that you may not be able to get your messages restored. But if you do, open this databases folder up as well, and if you see all of these and you see this last one with a different name from the rest, as you can see, the rest have timestamps. This is dated 9th of September, 10th of September, but this one doesn't have any dates, so that means you'll be able to restore your messages. Now if you don't have these files, go back and then open your Google Drive app. Now you may not see anything, or you may see a lot of things depending on how you use your Google Drive. Tap this icon with 3 lines and then tap backups. Give it a while to load, and then if you see any WhatsApp backup file, then that means you're on the road to restoring your messages. So hopefully you have all the files that I just told you to check. And if you do, you can carry on with the video, but if you don't, sadly I don't think I'll be able to help you in this video. Maybe I'll have to do more research to show you guys how to restore messages even if you don't have the backups, although I doubt that will be very possible. Anyways, so let the video begin. Right, so I'm going to open up my WhatsApp app, and as you can see I have no messages, although I have 64 archived messages because those are private ones. What I want to do is create a reference point. So I'm going to send myself a message using my WhatsApp business app. So I'm just going to say go ahead and uninstall because I'm badass. Anyways, the message is going to get sent now. See it here. I'm going to just tap it to open it. And yeah, so it's from my WhatsApp business number to my personal WhatsApp number. So this message is now here. So if I uninstall WhatsApp now and reinstall it, I'm not going to get this message because it is not part of the messages in the backed up file. So what I'm going to do now is create a new backup file, which is something I suggest you guys always do before uninstalling your WhatsApp app. But if you don't, it's no big deal. You can always get some of the messages you've sent in the past. So I'm just going to go to my chats and then tap chat backup. Now I'll tap backup. Give it a while to back up, depending on the number of messages you have. Alright, so it is done backing up, but not to my Google Drive, but to my phone's internal storage, and I'm going to show you guys right now. I'm just going to tap File Manager and tap back Databases again. As you can see now, we have a new file with 14th of September. We have the new backup, which doesn't have a date. So this guy and this guy are essentially on the same day. Now this is not going to be a tutorial about how WhatsApp backups work, so I'm just going to skip that. Now I'm going to uninstall WhatsApp. I'm just going to tap this to uninstall it and tap OK. Now I'll reinstall it. So I don't want to go to the Play Store to reinstall it because I like managing my data, but I already made a backup for the WhatsApp app. If you don't know how to make backups for your apps, then I'm going to link a video in the description so you guys can check it out. So I'm just going to tap the file manager and head to where I saved the backup. Alright, so this is for WhatsApp and this is for WhatsApp Business. We're going to come back to this app later on in the video. So I'm going to install this one now. And for those of you who will be installing from your backup, if it's for the first time, you're going to get this message. You just tap settings and then allow installing apps from your file manager. This is just a security feature so you guys don't install malware or spyware from different sources. Google wants you to install apps from the Play Store directly, but unless you know what you're doing, don't see a point of you installing apps from your file manager. So it's done installing, and I'm going to tap open, agree and continue. I'm going to input my number. I'm not going to make it visible for you guys because it's my personal number, but my business number is always visible. So okay, so I've input my number and I'm going to just tap next. Okay. Alright, so text message is going to get sent to my phone. Hopefully it arrives quick. Now this message is going to pop up, and for those of you who have your WhatsApp backup files on your phone, you'll be able to continue. But if you don't, then we'll try the next step. So just tap continue, tap allow and allow again, and the WhatsApp app is going to look for the backup, which is this, and it says 4 minutes ago. So I'll tap restore and give it a while for the messages to restore. And essentially that's how you restore your messages after you uninstall the WhatsApp and reinstall it. So I'm going to speed up the video, and then when it's done I'll show you guys the message that was sent from my WhatsApp business number. Right, so it's done restoring my messages. So as you can see, I have over 100,000 messages, which may be quite small for some of you guys. Anyways, tap next and just fill in your details. So this is going to pop up, and it's just a way for your messages to always get backed up to your Google Drive in case you lose your phone or your phone dies and doesn't come back up anymore. And there's no way for you to get to your file manager to retrieve your backups. So I'll suggest going for daily or weekly, but for me I'll just select never because I don't always have internet. Right, so I'm done, and as you can see I have the message here that says go ahead and uninstall. It was the latest message I had before uninstalling the app, and it's still here now, which means I also have all my other messages that were archived. Right, so this is how you do it when you have the backup files on your phone. But if you don't have them on your phone, then it's possible you have them on your Google Drive, and I'm going to show you guys. I think I already showed you guys how to check, but if I didn't, I will show you guys again. So open up your Google Drive. Oh, okay, I guess I did, so there's no need. Okay, so I just opened up my business WhatsApp, and this is the message I sent last. So now I'm going to back it up to my Google Drive. Settings, charts, chat backup. For those of you who haven't set your backups yet, come here, tap backup. You can select daily, weekly, whenever. This time I'm selecting only backup, and I tap backup, which is this button here. It is going to back up to this email address. So if you don't see your email here, tap this. It will bring up a list of emails. Select your email, and that's all. Come down, select Wi-Fi or cellular. I leave it that way because I'm not always using a Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to tap backup. Essentially this is going to back up to my Google Drive as well as my phone. But I'm going to delete it from my phone because I just want to assume that we don't have the backup files on our phone. Right, so it's done uploading to the Google Drive, and I'm going to show you guys that we have a new file at the Google Drive. Let's just refresh this. Yep, allows to back up by 9:10 p.m. Yes, I work at night. Should I say because I'm Batman? So now I'm going to uninstall WhatsApp Business. Next, I'm going to head over to the WhatsApp Business folder to delete all the backups. I'm not saying you should always delete the backups. I'm saying if you don't have the backups here but you have them on your Google Drive, then you should follow the next step that I'm going to take. But okay, so we don't have databases for the WhatsApp Business app. Now I'm going to reinstall it. Like I said, I already backed them up, so I'm just going to reinstall them from the backups I made. This is my business number. You guys can reach me on this via WhatsApp, no phone calls please, at any time, and I'll try to respond if you have relevant questions. So tap next to start the connection, and tap OK to receive my verification code. So it's done verifying, and now we have this message again. Now remember, this time we don't have the backups on our phone, but we have it saved on our Google Drive. So just tap continue again, allow, and give it a while. The app is going to go through your phone If it doesn't find it, it's going to check your Google Drive, and as you can see, it says showstext@gmail.com, restore messages from Google Drive. That's because we don't have it on our phone. I keep saying this and you're going to start hating me. Now I'm going to tap restore and then next. So as you can see, the last message I sent to my personal number is still here, and yeah, it just shows that the backup actually worked. Now some of you may have accidentally selected not now when you tried to restore the messages. So what I would suggest doing is uninstall WhatsApp, download it again, and try to restore your messages. That's quite easy. But if you're very good with apps, you should know about how to clear data and all that stuff. That would be a faster way to do it instead of uninstalling and reinstalling. I don't know what else I'm supposed to show you guys, but I'm going to create a detailed article for this maybe in the next 2 days. So whatever I forget to say in the video, I'm going to put that in the article. When I'm done, I'm going to put that in the description as well. Alright, so if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, 100 subscribers now. I know it currently says 101 subscribers, but that's just because I actually subscribed to my channel to see how it looks like from the outside world. Yeah, so 100 subscribers, I really want to say thank you. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Alright, bye bye.